Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Practice English Daily. I am your host, Jessica.
And I am your co-host, Eric. Hello, listeners. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
As always, our goal is to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. We speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
That is right. Whether you are listening on the bus, in your car, or at home, we hope this episode helps you learn something new.
Before we start our conversation, please remember to support us. If you are listening on YouTube, please click the subscribe button and the like button.
Yes, please do. It really helps our channel grow. And if you are listening on a podcast app, please leave us a review.
Today, we have a very special topic. Since we have just started a new year, we want to talk about reflections, resolutions, and future plans.
Oh, that is a great topic. The new year is a perfect time to look at the past and plan for the future.
Exactly. We'll talk about what we did on New Year's Eve, and we'll talk about our goals for this year.
I am ready. Let's get started.
So, Eric, how are you today? How are you feeling?
I am doing very well, thank you, Jessica. I feel energetic and happy. What about you? How are you?
I am doing well too. I feel very relaxed. So tell me, how was your weekend? Did you do anything special?
My weekend was quite busy. I visited my family. We drove to my parents' house about 2 hours away. It was a long drive, but it was nice to see them.
That sounds lovely. Did you have a big meal together?
Yes, we did. We had a huge dinner. My mother cooked a roast chicken, potatoes, and vegetables. I think I ate too much food. I was so full.
Oh, I know that feeling. Family dinners are the best, but sometimes we eat too much.
Exactly. What about you, Jessica? Did you have a busy weekend?
No, not at all. My weekend was very different from yours. I stayed home all weekend.
Really? You did not go out?
No, I was very tired from working last week, so I slept for 10 hours on Saturday night. It was wonderful.
Wow, 10 hours. You must feel very rested now.
I do. Sometimes staying home and sleeping is the best way to spend the weekend. Okay, let's talk about our main topic, the new year. Let's look back at the past first. Specifically, let's talk about New Year's Eve.
Good idea. New Year's Eve is the night before the new year starts. It is December 31st.
Right. So Eric, what did you do on New Year's Eve? Did you go to a big party?
Well, I have a funny story. I went to a friend's house. It was a small party. It wasn't loud or crazy. It was very, how do I say it? It was very cozy.
Cozy is a great word. We will explain that later. So describe the night. What did you do at this friend's house?
It was cold outside, so we stayed inside. This friend has a fireplace, so the room was warm. We sat on the sofa and played card games.
That sounds fun. Did you have snacks?
Oh yes, we had many snacks. Chips, dip, cheese, and crackers. And at midnight, we did the countdown. 10, 9, 8, and we shouted Happy New Year.
Did you drink champagne?
No, we did not drink alcohol. We drank sparkling juice. It is like grape juice with bubbles. It was delicious.
Eric, I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
Who was this friend you visited?
Oh, well, it was... Wait a minute.
Eric, you were at my house.
Oh my goodness, you are right. I am so sorry. My memory is terrible today. I was telling the story and I forgot that you were the friend.
That is so funny. Yes, listeners, Eric came to my house. We were together. I cannot believe you forgot.
I am so embarrassed. But yes, it was your house, and it was very cozy.
It was. Do you remember what we cooked for dinner before the snacks?
Yes, now I remember. We cooked pasta. We made spaghetti with tomato sauce.
And garlic bread. Do not forget the garlic bread.
The garlic bread was amazing. It was crunchy and buttery.
Do you remember what happened at midnight with the fireworks?
Yes, we watched the fireworks on the television. We did not go outside because it was raining, but something happened with your cat.
Yes, my poor cat Luna. When the fireworks made noise on the TV, she got very scared.
She ran under the sofa.
She did. She hid under the sofa for an hour. Poor Luna. She does not like loud noises.
But overall, it was a great night. It was better than a big, loud party with strangers.
I agree. I prefer a quiet night with friends.
Now, what about the next day? What did you do on New Year's Day, January 1st?
On New Year's Day, I woke up very late. I think I woke up at 11 a.m.
That is nice. A lazy morning.
Yes. After I woke up, I wanted to start the year with fresh air, so I went for a walk in the park.
Was it cold?
It was freezing. It was very cold, but the air was crisp and clean. It felt like a fresh start, a new beginning.
I love that feeling. Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, I called my parents on the phone to wish them a Happy New Year. It is important to call family on holidays.
That is very sweet. I did the same thing. I called my mom and dad, and we talked for a long time. Okay, Eric, we talked about the past. Now let's talk about the future.
The future, this is the exciting part.
At the start of a year, many people make New Year's resolutions.
Jessica, can you explain what a resolution is?
Sure. A New Year's resolution is a promise you make to yourself. It is a goal. It is something you want to change or improve in the new year.
Like going to the gym or saving money?
Exactly. Those are very common resolutions. So, Eric, do you have a resolution for this year?
Yes, I do. My resolution is to read more books.
That is a great goal. How many books do you want to read?
My goal is to read 12 books this year.
12 books? So that is one book every month.
Yes, 1 book per month. Last year, I was too busy. I only read 2 books. This year, I want to make time for reading.
Do you like fiction or nonfiction?
I like fiction. I like mystery stories. I like trying to guess the ending.
I think you can do it. 1 book a month is a realistic plan.
Thanks for the encouragement. What about you, Jessica? Do you have a resolution?
Yes, I have one main resolution. I want to learn how to cook better. Specifically, I want to learn to cook 5 new meals.
5 new meals? That sounds delicious.
Yes, I usually cook the same things every week. Pasta, salad, sandwiches. It is boring. I want to learn to make Thai curry, homemade pizza, and maybe sushi.
Wow, sushi is difficult.
I know, it is a challenge, but I want to try.
Well, Jessica, if you need someone to eat the food, I can help. I can be your taste tester.
Thank you, Eric. I will invite you over for dinner when I make the pizza. If it tastes bad, you have to tell me the truth.
I promise to be honest. Okay, so we have reading and cooking. What about travel? Do you have any travel plans for this year?
I have a dream plan. I want to travel, but I have a dilemma. A dilemma is a difficult choice.
What is the choice?
I really want to visit the mountains. I want to go hiking and see nature, but I also need to save money to visit my old friend Anna.
Where does Anna live?
She lives in another country. It is a very expensive flight. So I am saving money. I think I will choose to visit Anna.
That is a good choice. Friends are important. Are you excited about it?
Yes, I am looking forward to seeing her. We haven't seen each other in 3 years.
Looking forward to. That is a great phrase. We should explain that later.
Definitely. But for now, what about you, Eric? Do you have any new hobbies?
Actually, yes. I want to learn a new skill. I want to learn video editing.
Video editing? Like for computers?
Yes, I want to help with our YouTube channel. I want to make the videos look better.
I also have a small hobby I want to start. I want to start gardening.
Gardening? But Jessica, you live in an apartment. You do not have a yard.
I know, but I have a balcony. A small balcony. I want to grow tomatoes in pots on my balcony.
That is a cool idea. Urban gardening.
Yes, imagine eating a salad with tomatoes that I grew myself.
That sounds very fresh and healthy. I hope your tomatoes grow big and red.
All right, listeners, we have told you our stories and our plans. Now it is time for the educational part of the show.
This is where we review the vocabulary and phrases we used in our conversation.
Please listen carefully. I will explain the meaning and Eric will give examples. The first phrase is New Year's resolution.
A resolution is a firm decision to do or not to do something. It is a promise to yourself. Example, my resolution is to stop drinking soda. Example, her resolution is to exercise 3 times a week.
Good. Remember, we usually use the verb make. We say, I made a resolution. The next phrase is looking forward to. This is very common in English.
Looking forward to means you are excited about something in the future. You are happy that it will happen soon.
There is an important grammar rule here. After looking forward to, we must use a noun or a verb ending in ing.
Correct. Wrong, I am looking forward to see you. This is incorrect. Correct, I am looking forward to seeing you. Example, I am looking forward to my vacation. Noun. Example, she is looking forward to buying a new car. Verb with ing.
Great examples. I am looking forward to eating lunch later.
Me too. Okay, what is the next word?
The next phrase is dream plan.
A dream plan is a big hope or wish. It might not happen immediately, but you really want it to happen. It is your ideal situation. Example, my dream plan is to buy a house on the beach.
Next, we have the idiom time flies.
Time flies means time passes very quickly. We say this when we are surprised by how fast time has gone. Example, I cannot believe it is already 2025. Time flies. Example, we talked for 3 hours. Wow, time flies when you are having fun.
It is true. Time really does fly. Our next word is one Eric used to describe the party, cozy.
C-O-Z-Y. Cozy. This means warm, comfortable, and safe. It usually describes a feeling of relaxation. Example, this sweater is very soft and cozy. It is raining outside, but inside the house, it is cozy by the fire.
I love cozy things. Tea, blankets, and cats are cozy.
Next word, countdown.
A countdown is counting backwards to 0, usually to mark the start of an event. Example, the rocket launch had a countdown. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Example, on New Year's Eve, we do a countdown to midnight. And our final phrase for today is save money.
To save money means to keep money instead of spending it. You usually do this for a specific goal. Example, I am saving money to buy a new computer. Example, he packs his lunch every day to save money.
Saving money is hard, but it is important. We are almost finished with today's episode. Before we go, let's quickly summarize the grammar we used.
In the first part of the show, when we talked about the party, we used the past tense. We said, I went, we cooked, she slept.
Correct. And in the second part, when we talked about resolutions, we used future forms. We used phrases like, I want to learn, I plan to read, and I am going to visit.
Try to notice these tenses when you listen to English speakers. Are they talking about yesterday or tomorrow?
Now we have our question of the day. We want to hear from you.
Yes, please answer this question in the comments section below. What is one small plan you have for next month?
It does not have to be a big resolution, just a small plan. Maybe I plan to visit a museum. Maybe I plan to try a new restaurant. Write your answer in English in the comments. We love reading your answers. And do not worry about making mistakes. We are all learning together. That's right, practice makes perfect. Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Daily. We hope you have a wonderful start to your new year. Good luck with your resolutions. Remember to subscribe and like the video. We will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.